It's new to my stash, so it's come out of my stash and we're using it. We're doing the whole kit and caboodle and we're going to use it all up this month. So let's go in and have a look. Okay, so this is the kit that I'm going to use for the whole kit and caboodle. It's Ginger's concept from Ginger's Corner, and we're challenged to create 6 layouts from a kit. So I've actually just decided that this time I'm just going to use a kit that's pre-bought, all the paper pack with all the fussy cut pieces in it. And this is Peach Whimsy from Scrapbook Fantasies, and it's a beautiful new range that they're adding. And I'm going to play with it and we're going to see what we can create. And I'm going to do my 6 layouts using these papers. So let's see what we've got first before we start pulling together 6 kits. So the whole concept is that we take a kit, holus bolus, and then we break it up into 6 possible combinations to create layouts. And then over the month of May, we will create those 6 layouts, keeping all of the leftovers and scraps from what we use or don't use, and then use those up to create further layouts. So with that premise in mind, throughout this process, I will drag in just cardstock that will marry with this collection and chipboard pieces for titles and so forth. I won't add any more pattern papers and I won't add embellishments other than what is already here. So that's the premise. So Peach Whimsy, as I said, is Scrapbook Fantasies' new range. They used to have a mini kit and now they've created the full kit. So this is just beautiful and they're my colours. They're what I like and I really, really am excited to be creating with them. So on the back here, look at that. Isn't that stunning? Like the golds and the pinks and the peaches, beautiful. So that's a possibility of being used in there somewhere. Now, every kit or each kit, paper kit that you purchase from Scrapbook Fantasies comes with 2 of the same. So for each page, there is 2 of the same. So there's 2 of this one, which is Peach Whimsy number 5. Isn't that divine? Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. That is just gorgeous. Love, love, love the colours. Look at the gold, like the granity in there. It's just beautiful. So I love those rich colours and already I'm thinking, oh, I'm knowing these may end up with some cruise photos because they're the colours that are going to match beautifully. Okay, so that's one side of the Peach Whimsy 5. This is Peach Whimsy 1. Look at it. Isn't it just stunning? Look at the colour. That is just gorgeous. I love that colour. And then, and Alicia knows me. I'm on her creative team. I get to work with her papers. I am very excited when she does one of these, the continuous florals. I love, love, love these papers. And she knows I love them, which is even more exciting because when she creates them, she always says she has me in mind with them and she likes to see. So this one is going to just be stunning. And I love that it's micro flowers. It's not big, that they're small. So I'm actually looking forward to working with that piece, with that beautiful orange on the other side. Oh, the peach. Peach Whimsy number 1. So we've looked at 1, we've looked at 5. This is Peach Whimsy number 2. Once again, look at the blues. Perfect for beach layouts. Perfect for my cruise. So this is just gorgeous. I love it. It reminds me of a sky. It reminds me of summer skies. And then, who can go wrong with wood grain? You know I love a good wood grain. So look at that. It's just stunning. Love, love, love. Look at the colour. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. So that's a me colour wood grain. I love it. I love, love, love it. Okay, so that's Peach Whimsy number 2. This one is a classic Alicia with the chevrons. And I love that it looks like hessian or burlap underneath. It's just gorgeous. And the blues phenomenal. Love, love, love the blues. I'm loving the blues. But look at that. Like, oh my goodness. This mixed media background, this ombre, it looks like ink splats on watercolor. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Look, the colors are just phenomenal, aren't they? Look at that. Stunning, stunning, stunning. All right, so that's that one. And then there's this one. Oh, look at this. I'm loving the fact that they're micros. They're not massive. They're micros. So I'm liking it. And look at the birds. The birds are beautiful with these florals. Love the colors. Just gorgeous. This is Peach Whimsy number 4. And look, on the back here, look at these. So you know I'm going to be cutting out these. You know, look at this corner. How cool is that? Look at the bingo. Amazing. Nice frame, florals, bows, birds, cameras, pockets. Perfect. Perfect. I'm going to be cutting all of these. So remember, there's 2 of these. So I will be using one where I fussy cut out all of these because we're going to need those for our embellishments, which leaves half a sheet. So I will either be able to use this side or this side of the half sheet, depending what I choose, and then have the full sheet of the other one. So that's that one, and that's that one. And then we have this one. Oh, isn't this stunning? Look at it. You know I love a good foliage. Look at this. The continuous fall of the foliage is beautiful. Like the vines. I just love it. This is Peach Whimsy number 6. And ta-da! On the back we have florals and whimsy with the foliage. And look, a beautiful frame. Temptation. Once again, there's 2 of these. So I will either have a full sheet this side or I'm going to have the half sheet where I use this side. This is it. This is the whole kit and caboodle, and I will put every single thing that I don't use on a layout, that I think I was going to use on a layout, back into here so that at the very end we'll create more layouts using our leftovers. And that will be fun to see as well. So it's a whole month. A whole month, people. Check back. Make sure I stay on track. I really, really want to get this happening. I want to work this kit. I'm going to do it in a double whammy in the fact that it is going to be a kit for the whole kit and caboodle. It's also going to be my creative team play out. Let's see what I come up with. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Which paper? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Which one did you like the most? Which one are you excited to see what I do with? And let me know if you're going to head over, get the kit and play along as well. So that's it for the first round of Whole Kit and Caboodle. There is a playlist. It will be down below. Go check it out. Check out what everybody else is preparing to play with. And let's get creative, everyone. I can't wait until this becomes 6 layouts for you to enjoy. Catch you real soon. Don't forget to like, hype, subscribe, and come back and see what I do with the rest of the month. Here's the next video for you. I'll see you there real soon. Stay creative.